How to turn on or turn off auto scan apps daily to check for viruses and spyware on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down, and in here, tap on security and privacy. After that, we then scroll down and tap on app security. In here, tap on app protection. Then tap on the more button at the top. And then tap on app protection settings. In here, tap on auto scan apps daily. So tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. If you turn this on, then the phone can automatically scan apps daily to give your phone a defense against viruses and spyware. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.